Introducing MECOOL KS3, the first all-in-one TV box that combines Android TV 12, Dolby Atmos, and Chromecast in a compact and powerful design. It's no longer just sound, it's an immersive, enveloping experience that transforms your living room into a movie theater. Get ready to meet the MECOOL KS3, the TV box with soundbar, which takes the concept of home theater to another level with its immersive acoustic power and its Dolby Atmos technology. You will not only hear but feel every explosion, every whisper, and every note as if you were inside the action, my brother! If you still thought that a soundbar only improves volume, this video will change your mind. This is the new product from the MECOOL brand, with which it wants to break the audiovisual market, and so comes the complete package, KS3 SSS, or Surround Sound System. The complete system to build a home theater consists of 3 boxes where we find the soundbar KS3 box, the surround speaker box that comes in pairs, and the 50-watt subwoofer box, all in the MECOOL brand and ready to be compatible with the soundbar KS3. Inside the soundbar KS3 box, we find the main equipment almost floating inside, to avoid any impact during transport, and underneath this small accessory box. The KS3 arrives very well packaged, protected and lined, and no wonder, as this is intended to protect the excellent quality of its finishes. Among its accessories, we find a user manual, a Google-certified G20 remote control, a 1-meter HDMI cable, and a 15-volt 2-amp power adapter. Inside the surround speaker box, there are 2 power cables for home power, and further inside the box we find 2 dedicated speakers for compatibility with the soundbar. These are full-range speakers and they look very well built. And inside the larger box we find a power cable for home power, and finally the largest speaker in this package, the subwoofer, is a large and heavy speaker designed with 4 legs for standing on the floor. It is a powerful TV box, ideal for installing thousands of applications, and you can do this very economically thanks to our 2 sponsors. One is GamsGo, which is the platform where I buy all my streaming accounts, my music, software, AI, and reading applications. And the other platform is TV Club, the new sister platform of GamsGo, but focused on other services for all the channels in the world. Scan this QR code or enter it from the link in the description for secure access. Choose your service and try it out, because here you can sign up for just 1 month, so you have nothing to lose. Oh, and don't forget to include my discount coupon JAVIX. I'm already using it on my TV, my computer, and my phone, and it's working great. The KS3 has a flat rectangular shape with 6 touch control buttons on the top, power button, HDMI output, optical output, Bluetooth connectivity, volume down and volume up, measures 49 by 12 by 5.5 centimeters, and weighs about 3 kilos. It feels relatively heavy in the hands due to the 4 mid speakers and tweeters and the 4 internal passive speakers, and has 2 rubber bars to place it on a table without slipping. On the back is the connection bar, which is very comprehensive. Here we find a reset button, an optical digital audio port, an HDMI output with ARC, a gigabit Ethernet port, a USB 3.0 input, and an 18-volt input, providing the ultimate in connectivity for everything. It's also covered in canvas fabric on all sides, so it outputs audio from all sides and has a robust, elegant design and build quality. The full-range speakers, dubbed by MECOOL as surround speakers, have a sleek and beautiful build quality and are also completely enclosed in canvas. On the back, there's a power connector, a power switch, and a Bluetooth pairing button. On the back, they have a threaded insert for mounting on tripods. The covers are made of finely polished plastic resembling aluminum, giving them a premium speaker feel. While the subwoofer isn't surrounded by canvas but appears to be made of some material like wood, since you can see the grain, it's a very elegant bass speaker that has the same connections on the back and a reflex tube to dissipate sound pressure. All the sound power comes out from under the speaker, and it has 4 legs to place it on the floor so that the bass travels throughout the entire floor and makes the house rumble. The new MECOOL KS3 is a hybrid device that combines the power of 4K video, a powerful TV box with great sound quality, a powerful integrated soundbar with several audio inputs, and cutting-edge video compatible with all home equipment. The KS3 transforms any room into a true home theater with its internal speakers, which generate 3D audio and immerse you in every scene. But the KS3 is not just a sound bar, since If you complement it with its set of surround speakers, you practically turn your room into a home theater. And thanks to compatibility with Dolby Atmos and DTS-X, you will feel the sound effects come to life around you, from explosions to whispers. You can find it in the official MECOOL store for $289 for just the TV box, and if you want it with its speaker set, it'll cost $599 for the complete sound experience. Plus, shipping to several countries, including Mexico and the United States, is free, and if you enter my coupon code, JaviKS3, the entire system will cost you $510, with a $90 discount, and the soundbar alone will cost you $246, with a $44 discount in case you want to use my coupon. Although its price may seem a bit high, this is a unique device that integrates everything into one. Furthermore, its specifications are the most powerful for this type of audio and video device. The KS3 is basically a TV box, therefore it needs a television to display the images, and the installation is obviously the same as a TV box. The only thing you have to do is connect the voltage adapter cable and the HDMI output cable, and then connect it to your television. This is a Sony TV that already has Android TV, but it has Wi-Fi issues as it doesn't pick up any Wi-Fi network. However, this can be fixed with any TV box. Just choose the HDMI port to which you connect the TV box, turn it on, and you're ready to set it up. The process is very simple. Just pair the remote via Bluetooth, choose a language, connect the TV box to your Wi-Fi network, and finally enter your Google account and password. What follows is completely intuitive because you just have to follow the setup wizard, except until you get to this part. This is the setup screen with a small guide in English where the new KS3 invites you to connect the surround system speakers, but I won't do that yet, to review the TV box function first, and later I will show you where you can find this setting if you decide to buy the speakers. Finally, we now have Android TV running on the new MECOOL KS3 version 12, and it's a very powerful device handling video very fluidly. It's truly one of the best TV boxes currently available, and is on the same hardware level as the Homatics Box R 4K Plus and the Nokia 8010. It's Android TV, but it doesn't have the Google TV interface. It's still perfectly compatible with the entire Google ecosystem because I've already mentioned that Google TV is just a screen interface, not an operating system. The actual operating system is called Android TV. Its configuration menu is the same as on any device with Android TV, and in it we can check the system version, which is 12 the 32 gigabytes of storage, of which 28 remain available, the somewhat more advanced screen and sound settings, to choose the formats, and within the surround sound system option, we find the option to link and connect the surround sound speakers. If you want to buy them later, it also has settings for the surround sound enhancer, for the subwoofer and the mid-range speakers, a dialogue enhancer, and a button to enable the digital optical audio output. Overall, the KS3 offers more specific sound settings than any other TV box, as its spatial speaker setup is designed to help you build a home theater in your living room. The MECOOL KS3 is a dual-band device that supports Wi-Fi 6. When I ran an upload and download speed test, it measured pretty close to my data plan, which is 400 Mbps and almost symmetrical, so you won't have any issues regarding its connection. The video quality produced by this hybrid TV box is very good and can be checked with any color calibration application. Of course, this also depends on the TV screen, but you can see how the KS3 responds to the patterns it generates. The MECOOL KS3 also allows the installation of APK files, either downloaded from the internet or from a USB memory stick. Keep in mind that these types of files are not found in the Play Store, and the system may show you a warning like this when installing it. If you are sure of its origin, click on More Details and then install the same. This way, I easily installed an external application, such as Flujo TV. If you want to hire it, I'll leave the link in the description. The KS3 uses a quad-core processor and 4 GB of RAM, the best in TV box, produces excellent quality images, enough to upgrade any television, and decodes 4K quite well, and you can see here that it detects all resolution formats. The MECOOL KS3 soundbar is much more than just a speaker, as it combines surround sound with Android TV 12, turning it into a complete multimedia center. Its HDMI output supports ARC, allowing you to transmit Dolby Digital and DTS 5.1 from your TV to your sound system. If you're one of those who can afford to purchase the surround sound system to complement your MECOOL KS3 soundbar, then you'll be able to experience a completely immersive sound experience all in one device. To pair them, go to the surround sound settings option I mentioned earlier. On each speaker, press and hold the pairing button for more than 5 seconds. The pairing checkboxes will appear on the screen indicating that the pairing is okay. After that, you can adjust the subwoofer and surround boosts to your liking. And as a recommendation, I suggest updating the speaker firmware, which might take a few minutes, but it keeps the surround sound generation and control algorithms up to date. Although for a true surround effect, this is not the best speaker layout. So I thought about putting the small speakers on tripods, and here you have to be careful because not just any tripod with a 1/4-inch screw will do. These are smaller nuts, so you need tripods with a special smaller screw. But anyway, I'll figure out how to place them around me and maximize the surround effect. The subwoofer usually goes in front and on the floor, so the bass can spread through the floor. And although it's not the same as you sitting here, I'll put a microphone in the center so that it's surrounded by sounds from this home theater, and so I'll do some tests.
This is Dolby Cinema. It's where the most advanced cinematic technology we've ever experienced begins. This is Dolby Atmos. The number of speakers around you no longer matters, because this is the world's first object-based cinematic audio. With powerful moving audio that transcends from channels to moving around you with pinpoint accuracy.
Let's go!
What captures the full extent
Do you want to know my secret?
of nature's fury.
Daddy, are you there? Who are you? I'll show you. Are you here? There's a human who wants to kill us.
is much more than a simple TV box or soundbar. It's the new trend. A home theater for your living room with true surround sound and an adjustable acoustic profile that includes special modes for movies, music, games, or the night, and that sound lovers will appreciate. All I needed was to connect it to a good projector and voila, the cinema of my dreams. But I promise to upload it in my next video, which I'll finish soon. If you liked this video, let me know in the comments. What did you think of this new TV box format? Thanks for watching and see you soon. Help me and let's democratize technology. See you in the next video.